he knows his name as well. They don't usually know the name at this age. Pop, 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 pop. Come on, pop, 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 puppies. Pop, 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 puppies. Wow, what a clever little boy. What a clever little boy. What a clever boy.
Did you bring truffle?
No.
Why not?
Just in season.
Oh,
So you don't want me to bring truff around your
No.
old boys.
No.
This is actually going to be a rest for Summit. He doesn't really shit or when he's watching it now.
I don't get any sense out of Summit.
Well, I guess you But truffle?
No.
Come on.
Not in time.
Come on.
He's probably feeling very happy now.
Water.
No, he's not. He's probably all wound
And that's all you can
All his brains
expect
are
at that
between
age,
his
is a couple of times to bring it back.
Pardon?
That's about all you can expect
Yes,
at
I'm
that
not.
age.
I think it's great. I thought he did
Yeah.
better than I thought.
Otter.
You coming over?
Come on, boy.
Just wait.
Bring the bird.
Actually, I read the rule book. I wasn't sure whether bitches in season were allowed to hunt this or not.
No.
I didn't know that, but I read that. I figured if they were, I would bring her just so everybody get used to
Yeah.
it.
Not usually.
No.
Occasionally they can put it in the premium that they're allowing bitches in season and they run them last. It's not very good because
Yeah,
the
but
male
they're still,
dogs,
but they're still in the area.
the male dogs know